Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 3rd, 2018, and I wanted to show you the patty pan squash plants. These things are really big, and they're starting to get the little patty pans hanging on. I don't know if you can see that one down there. I can't get to it too well. The plants are really growing for us. That's a really good thing. So you can see down here, that little white thing there, that's a patty pan squash. That'll get larger than that. Kind of reminds you of like some kind of weird looking salsa or something. They have been blooming for us, and they have the little patty pans hanging on. Now we are feeding these with the Eco Scraps 555 plant food, and they are just humongous. And we do have some zucchinis actually hanging on here. So we have some of those. They did get pollinated. I did have to treat the zucchini plant for some powdery mildew. It was getting some of that when we were having all that rain at night. So I did use some neem oil spray on it. It worked very well. So I'm really happy about that. I only got one zucchini plant this year. I'm not too happy about that. I'm probably going to be trying a different seed company next year. That was just one I had just picked up at a store. So I'm probably going to be trying a different one next year. And then we have our squash over here. Now these didn't get too big. Not 100% sure why they didn't get too big. This is not normally how our squash grow. Normally they get like huge. We did put them at a different area this year, so that could be part of the problem. You can see we got a squash hanging on in there. We have some more coming. And we've been eating fried squash when we're getting them. And if you don't like them fried, you can also do them in a nice vegetable melody. That'll work too. You can put your fresh parsley in there and all kinds of goodies. So, we're feeding these with the Eco Scraps 555 plant food too. And I'll leave links down below for all the products I talked about. We're also feeding these with Sea Magic. So I just want to give you a quick update on these. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try to answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.